Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to shave your head. Most people end up having to shave their head several times throughout their life because of lice and lice eggs. It's good to know how to shave your brain box before it's too late and you're absolutely covered in bugs and feeling helpless, alone, and filthy. To shave your head, you'll need a razor, a bathroom, some white cream, and a head. Smear the cream on your greasy little head. Make sure it's all nice and covered. If it's not, the bugs will survive and you'll have to do this all over again tomorrow, and you're really busy tomorrow, so that would not be ideal. You've got a dentist appointment tomorrow and you're kind of nervous about it because you haven't been to the dentist in 6 years, and the last time you went you got kicked out for spraying the little water sprayer thing all over when the hygienist wasn't in the room. You thought they wouldn't notice since the floor was covered in dark gray carpet and the wet parts didn't look much different from the dry parts, but they did notice and they were very mad. You denied doing it, but who else would it have been? So they asked you to leave and never return, but it's been 6 years and you look way different now, so maybe they won't recognize you when you go in tomorrow. I guess we'll find out.